another video today, and today me and my sister's gonna be doing a McDonald's mukbang. And this is my first mukbang on this channel, and I was so hungry, guys. You guys don't know how hard it is to try and do a mukbang because you want to get home, you just want to eat and watch a movie. And that's what I've been doing for all these past days. And I've just been thinking about doing mukbangs for y'all. But today's the day that we're doing it. Me and my sister, we just putting this on, but we did it. So, got my hair back. I'm very
So I got 10-piece chicken nugget, French fries, and a fish fillet. I don't know if you see it. So barbecue and ranch dressing. Ranch sauce.
Oh my god. This is hot.
You should turn the air on.
Alright. Guys, chicken nuggets, because mine is ranch. I love it. It gotta be ranch.
Alrighty. Yeah, I'm hungry.
Oh,
And a nice Sprite.
yes. And I just got a Big Mac, French fries, and chicken nugget. It's so bomb. Y'all, I don't feel like talking. I'm too hungry.
This is like cold.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's not.
I don't even eat McDonald's.
I don't even know. Is it cold?
Yeah. And the food was done fast. Surprisingly.
You know what I'm talking
That's awesome. I'm so hungry, guys. I don't know what to talk about.
I see what we've been putting off in mother. Not too full?
I don't even know how I got it. It's so good.
I'm gonna get a tattoo. We went searching for a tattoo place today. It was on Nellis.
Oh my god, y'all. If you know where Nellis is,
It was in the jankiest part of Nellis. Right in the end.
I'm in the corner. We got, what's that called? Stop and Shop.
I didn't even see the place, but I called it and somebody answered. But I drove in the plaza, there was nobody there. Well, it was no tattoo place there. So I just went to Target.
No. We didn't get that
I wanted a
much.
butterfly right here. But I'm just gonna go to Planet Hollywood, where I usually get my tattoos from anyway. God was trying to save me. He was like, nope, we ain't going to there today.
I said it too. I was like, we might do some janky tattoos. I look real nice. No, smacking my ear. Okay, I'm gonna try to open my mouth. You said open your mouth.
This is good. Crispy. What's your favorite soda?
No, mine is, I like Sprite and what's that called? Mountain Dew. I used to never like Mountain Dew. Like, I was like, ew.
You drink Mountain Dew? You be lying. Come on now, you always get Sprite. Mountain Dew. We don't even buy Mountain Dew.
One time, I had no choice but to get Mountain Dew.
Favorite though is something that you always get.
I know. My favorite is Sprite. My second favorite is Mountain Dew.
You lying.
I don't know. Like I said, the chocolate. Okay, that was.
You're weird. This is not Mountain Dew.
This small thing. I wonder if McDonald's meat real.
That was dumb. Just a neck.
Just a neck. Neck.
You're like Good Burger.
Oh yeah. I
You
like
get
across the street.
two burgers like this.
Oh.
My wig, I know, look a hot mess. Don't come for me in the comments now.
Don't come for me.
Don't come for me. Get snatched.
You snatched.
I haven't had McDonald's in a long time. I don't like McDonald's. Fish fillets and chicken nuggets, hash browns, and french fries is the only thing I eat from McDonald's. You won't catch me eating no dang, what is this?
Big Mac.
Big Mac no more? Anything with a patty? No.
Remember we used to eat they McDoubles?
Yeah.
Think about that.
about
Nasty.
It used to be good. But now, I've been scarred for life.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Some Reese's.
What is that? What?
Name business. Look at my nose. I'm just kidding. This is the only thing I went to Target for, basically, but I ended up coming out store with 4 things. Some sleeping nighttime sleep pills. It's a sleep aid because I have trouble sleeping at night and I gotta be at work at 7 in the morning. I go to bed at 3 something in the morning every single night. Get about 2.5 hours of sleep. Hopefully they work. Then my mom, she wanted me to get some of this. This is the Target brand. I don't know if you can see it. But it's the micellar cleansing water for your face for makeup, remove your makeup, and it's good for your skin. And it works on waterproof mascara as well. Last but not least is my lip NYX lingerie. This is my favorite color. If you want to know the color, it's color lip 1414. I don't know the color of that. Let me see if I can find it. It's called Confident. It's by NYX. You can buy it from the NYX store at Planet Hollywood. I think they have it at. And you can get it from your local Target, or I don't know if Walmart sells it, but I know Target does. That's where I got this from.
Oh,
dang! Target always doing something. They never get their prices right, and then I always sit there like a dummy and think that is okay. What? I think I should take this back. I'm gonna still use it tonight, but I'm gonna be like, I noticed on the receipt that it said this and that. Yeah, I'm taking it tonight. I ain't taking it back.
That came on the 24th.
Yeah, I'm finna take these things. Well, I'm not taking them back. I'm gonna use one tonight. Tomorrow, when I get off work, I'm taking this in the receipt.
Her shark face.
Huh?
Her shark face.
Yeah. Hey, she's like that lady from Shark. Or I've never seen that cartoon, but she do got that face.
He had that sharp edge, like a slope. Like a mountain.
It's like a slope. Like in math, huh?
I'm gonna find the X in the slope.
Y equals X plus Z.
Cute.
You're quiet.
My sister's full, and I'm on my last chicken nugget.
Anybody want some food? Come get yours.
But I'm in full, like very full. I had my mind fixed on some In-N-Out. I'm on In-N-Out so bad, and we went there and the line was super long. And I was like, really? So my sister wanted McDonald's, so we just went there.
You want $5? I forgot. That's $5. I put it on my card.
Oh my god.
Pay up. You gotta hold the check that you still haven't cashed.
And I have to cash it too.
You ain't even gonna listen to me. You ain't even gonna say it.
Yes, I do. Oh yeah, well. I was gonna spend it if it was open today, but since it was closed, I'm not gonna spend it.
These are okay. You got too much popcorn in here. I don't see how that guy Matt Stoney be eating. I get full and sick.
That's
about
scary.
thinking about the food
And
while I
he
eat the
drinks.
food.
And he drinks after it. After it, like to make it go down.
I want to see him do that banana and Sprite challenge.
Yeah, I think he did do a while
Well, but
back.
then we have somebody did. Alright. And that wraps up our mukbang.
That's not even how you do an outro. You gotta sit back down like
Oh.
you here trying to walk out on the outro. Like,
Oh, Lord Jesus. I'm getting too old for this. I'm just kidding. That's only mom.
I hope you all enjoyed this mukbang video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. If you are subscribed to my channel, please tell your friends about my channel so they can subscribe as well. And I hope you all have a great day and peace out.